been a little while since I last seen you, but here I am today giving you something good. I know I've been all over the place. I've had to move and I have a new job now, so things are a little bit kind of hectic for me these last couple of weeks. But today I've got a good one for you, so buckle in, sit down, grab a coffee, and enjoy this video. One of the worst things out there is having that feeling or that vibe that someone just may not be into you as you are to them. I thought it's worthy of you to know so you can move on fast, find somebody more interesting and worthy of your time. So I've put together 10 signs for you guys that you want to look out for that a girl may not be into you. So one of the first signs that you guys are going to want to look out for is if a girl's always on her phone. She's always looking down at her phone, she's always texting, on social media. She's probably not that into you, so this is something that you guys really want to look out for, because if a girl's actually into you, she's going to want to get to know you and spend time with you and ask you questions and carry a conversation and kind of take things from there. The no eye contact rule can be a killer on dates. Because think about it, guys, if a girl is really into you, she's not going to be able to keep her eyes off of you, and vice versa. You're going to be conversing and talking, and you're going to notice at points in times in conversation when you're talking to somebody else or you're looking in another direction and her eyes are still on you, and you know at that point, you know, that's a good feeling, that's a good vibe, that things are flowing in the right direction. This next one can hurt a lot. I know I've been there myself, and that is the F word. If she keeps saying the friend zone, if we're friends, we're friends. It really sucks being there, I know, because you want to spend time with that person, but you want to be more than friends. And it's hard to transition from the friend zone into something more of a relationship or whatever you may be looking for. And if you guys really want, I will make a video. Just leave something in the comments below of how to dig your way out of the friend zone itself. If she's always talking about her ex and you're not getting her full attention, this is a problem. So definitely watch out for this and keep this one in the back of your mind, guys. It's something that I absolutely hate, and that is when you're messaging or texting a girl, she's only replying with one word or really short answers. You know, this is something that you really want to pay close attention to and watch out for, and also who's starting the conversation and who's ending it. This is another telltale sign that, you know, I just stop putting effort into it at that point when the conversation comes to that, and I just move on. When you're hanging out and the times that you're hanging out and where you're hanging out at, if you're only spending time with her and her friends or a big group of people, she's probably not that into you, and she's not wanting to give you that one-on-one time because she doesn't want to be intimate to you, and thus, you know, things are probably leading towards the friend zone. Number 9 is more of a physicality aspect, and that is you guys are going to want to be able to break the barrier of touching as soon as possible. Nothing creepy here, guys. Keep it simple, keep it classy. You know, touching her arm or her back or her shoulder, you know, things like that, her hand, just to let her know you're there, things like that. But also keep in mind or watch to see how she reacts to that. Maybe she may want you to slow down, or maybe she's just not at that point. So just watch, you know, kind of feel out what's going on and the vibe of what you're getting back from her, and just kind of take things from there. And you know, another thing to really look out for is if she's making that contact with you or initiating it. That is a huge sign that she actually is really liking you, or she's really enjoying, you know, your company. My number 10 could be the worst and hardest sign of them all to figure out themselves, and that is if she's only texting you or calling you at the times that she really needs you. Like, for example, if she needs you to help her move something, or, you know, she may ask you, can you give me a ride somewhere, things like that. I myself have fallen for this one, just like so many of you other good guys out there. So keep an eye out for this, and just remember, just because a girl is texting you or calling you and asking you for these things doesn't mean that she's into you. Girls have that power, and some of them use it for the wrong reasons and or to their advantage. On the other side of it, don't get me wrong, you can always help a friend or a girl or a guy, in need, or if you want to just help someone in general, don't be scared to do that. But just keep this in the back of your mind or on the forefront of your thoughts. Finding these things out does suck, I know, because I've been there myself. So I wanted to share it with you guys today so that you guys can find long-lasting relationships, and hopefully you guys have not come across them. And if you do in the future, now you know what to look out for. That does it for me today, guys. Thanks again, as always, for watching. It's been a blast. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Leave a comment and subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up, as it will help me a lot. I appreciate it as always. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you guys next time.